Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to download the Xfinity app on a device. Now, if you want to download the Xfinity app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now, to download the Xfinity app, make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data on a device. So if you have not connected, you may simply scroll from the very top right and you may connect to any kind of data or Wi-Fi on a device. So if you're using Android, you may simply open settings or you may simply scroll from the center and you may simply connect it. So after doing that, you need to open App Store on a device on your iPhone, but you are using Play Store, then you need to simply open Play Store. So after doing that, you need to click on the option of search at the very bottom right and you need to search the Xfinity app and click on the option of search. So after searching the Xfinity app, you need to click on the app, which icon is like this. So you need to click on the option of Get. So after clicking on the option of Get, if you are installing it for the first time, then it asks you to double click on the power button at the very top right. So here you will see the option of install. So click on it. So as you can see that the install process has started on my device. It will start on yours too. So by doing this, you will be able to install the Xfinity app on your device. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.